As always, this detailed review is brought to you by BrainyBuyer.com. Shop smarter. Be a brainy buyer.
Okay, so we're comparing the Weber Q1000 and the Genesis E-415, both propane grills. Let's dive in. The Q1000 is definitely the smaller one, right?
Absolutely. The Q1000 has a cooking area of 189 square inches. It's built for portability. The Genesis E-415, a whopping 994 square inches. It's a full-sized grill.
Wow, that's a huge difference. So the Q1000 is more for tailgating or small patios, and the Genesis is for serious backyard grilling. What about the burners?
The Q1000 has just one stainless steel burner, pushing out 8,500 BTU. It's simple, efficient. The Genesis, on the other hand, boasts 4 pure blue burners.
Pure blue. Fancy. What's the deal with those?
They are designed for even heat distribution and to minimize clogging. Weber claims they provide a more consistent flame.
Makes sense. And the grates?
Q1000 has porcelain enameled cast iron grates. Durable but smaller. The Genesis also uses porcelain enameled cast iron but on a much larger scale, and they're designed for great searing. Plus, it's compatible with Weber's crafted outdoor kitchen collection.
Okay, searing is important. What about features? The Q1000 seems pretty basic.
It is. Push-button ignition, infinite control valve, and that's about it. It's all about simplicity. The Genesis has flavorizer bars, a grease management system, side tables, the works.
So the Genesis is loaded. What about size and weight?
The Q1000 is only 27.5 pounds and fairly compact. You can easily move it around. The Genesis? A hefty 205 pounds. It's staying put once you assemble it.
Definitely not a portable option. Price-wise?
Big difference there, too. The Q1000 is around $229. The Genesis is significantly more expensive, around $1,099.
So it really comes down to needs and budget, right? Small, portable, affordable, Q1000. Large, feature-rich, and ready for serious grilling? Genesis E-415.
Exactly. And the Genesis has a warming rack, which is nice.
True, forgotten that. So, a serious upgrade for those who need it. Don't miss out on our next in-depth review to help you make smarter purchasing decisions. Hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you're always in the know.